cannot be the two. Why you on a perimeter, can't even shoot? Oh, you got a whack at jump. We gon' make it rain on thunder. I ain't tryna sit on the phone, tryna.
I said, Wagwan. Ooh, man, play up.
Oh yeah, bro. We going.
That was a good rock concept. I play my side. What do you mean where I'm going? This is my flat. He gonna have to throw it over me. He gonna have to throw it over me. Hey, you gotta foul him. He out of bounds?
No, that's it. Let's go.
I'm like, I'm drifting this way.
I showed you.
I'm drifting it. My fault. Okay, I'll just stop next time. Yeah. Gotta earn it today, I guess.
Ready? Go.
That's far.
Go.
Damn, that was a good play. Oh, that was a good play.
Go.
Oh. Big ass nigga. Short crossers, man. Short crossers. Pig, we need it. Oh! We good. Stay inside, Josh. Stay inside. Right there on camera. You lucky we ain't got pads on.
Go.
Oh, you gotta foul him.
Ready? Go. Oh, good throw. Good fucking pass. You want to take a shot? Oh, bro. Yeah.
Good pass. Somebody tag Eddie Lacy, big ass. Damn.
Do that. Go.
Oh yeah. Bad ball.
Go.
Yep. Snap down. Okay, good.
Go.
Oh yeah, Jacob. See, I was gonna put my hand up, but I'm like, he got it.
Ready?
You gotta say it a little louder. I heard it, but I don't think he heard it. His head didn't hit the floor. He all right. Good hands. That is a pick.
Go.
Hey, this dude got a hole in it, Abram. Oh, it's behind us. Ooh.
Oh, careful. Ready? Go.
Outside.
Good shit, Corey. Good shit, Corey.
I mean, not really. He's going across the field. I hit the weed too hard. That nigga cannot move.
Too much moving. Damn. There you go.
Oh, you, Jacob? Oh.
Catch it, go.
Ah. Abram.
There you go. Kick. Oh my.
Okay. Had a slow start. It's okay.
There you go. Ready, there you go.
Running the wheel. Running the wheel.
Yes, bro. I need somebody to see it.
I throttled down. Because I didn't know if he was running out. What? Third. Oh, you got me. Hold on. Those going short. Yeah. Yeah, Carl, you heard that? Yeah. Heard it. Stick to that shit. Oh!
There you go.
Yes. Nice. Yeah. Ah! Yeah, that nigga's so nice, bro. Nice.
There you go.
Dylan. Oh, if he would've slipped just a little bit. Damn, they're wide. Stay over here. That's how I would have done it too. That's exactly how I would have done it too. Oh. His back hurt, y'all. I'm good. He did it on purpose. He knew what he was doing.
Ready? Go.
Yup. First.
With no effort.
You ready? Yeah. They got us again. They be cooking me with that shit. Cause I always want to bite. I want to bite right here. Yeah, Jordan, you gotta run with Abram. Short, Josh, up, Josh. Replay down, replay down, replay, 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 replay. He said he false start. Go. I'm deep, I'm deep, I'm deep. Jordan, what the fuck?
I fucking told you.
That's why he B-team, bro.
I fucking told you.
Cause what is that? You went. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Good ball, baby. Good ball, baby. Good ball. It was behind. Hey, if he wasn't there, I could have got it off the tip, but. Why? That don't answer my question. Oh, he got scared. He thought he was gonna hit. I'm here, Jacob. Oh my God. I didn't even see him coming. I didn't even see him coming.
Thanks for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. If you don't agree with any of my takes, we can argue about it. Get on the podcast, get in the comments, whatever you want to do. You can subscribe to my channel right here. In this other corner, you should get with my TikTok and my Twitter. And in this corner right here, you can watch any more reaction videos, vlogs, or watch any more takes. Till then, see y'all. God bless.